Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy various different card packs on the Hearthstone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hearthstone game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, go ahead and click on Shop at the bottom left corner, which will now take you into the shop page. From here, click on the second option at the left and now click on Packs at the top menu. You will now see various different card packs that you can buy. Just click on any card pack that you wish to buy and you may either use the gold that you can make within the game or you can use your real world currency as well. After choosing the appropriate card pack, choose the amount or the number of packs that you want to buy and then click on the shown price. After clicking on it, the amount will be deducted from your inventory and the pack will be purchased right away. Once you purchase a pack, it will be available within the Open Packs menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy card packs on the Hearthstone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.